What's going on, YouTube? We are back with another video, man. We just got done wrapping up the live stream, man. I got dressed. I'm ready to go pick up these Air Jordan 1 light smoke grays. I'm picking up 3 pairs a day. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another live stream, pickup vlog, early review, on feed, whatever drops on the channel, you guys will get notified. So right now, please subscribe and smash that bell for your boy, man. And please follow it up with a huge like button. Those likes go a long way. It helps the channel grow and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. Like I said, head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So before we get into this little pickup vlog, I want you guys to let me know right now in the comment section if you were able to pick them up locally, and let me know if you hit online via Finish Line, Foot Locker, JD Sports, and all those other good foot sites, man. Let me know down below in the comment section because I am very interested in knowing how limited, how hard this shoe was to get today, man. So with all that being said, man, let's jump right into the car. Let's jump in the whip. Let's go pick up these 3 pair of Air Jordan 1 light smoke grays, man. Let's get it. Yo, this morning was super crazy now that I think about it. I did like a little recording asking, you know, people if they got a W or if they got an L. And bruh, if you check my IG story, you will see nothing but L's, bro. You seen a couple W's, but like, bro, this release was a little bit harder to me than the Air Jordan 1 tie-dyes, the Royal Toes, any past release, bro. I don't know what it is about this colorway. Maybe people really like it. I'm not too sure. I still ain't seen it in the hand, and so we about to go pick these joints up. But like from pictures, from early on feats and stuff like that, hey, them things is super fire, bro. So I cannot wait to pick them up. And I think the quality even on the GS pairs is as good as the men's. So like I said, we about to go pick them up. I gotta bring Bae with me so she can pick my size up. A flash. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. So yeah, man, super lit day today. The live was super, like, it was super good, man. Y'all was super engaged with the conversation, man. I appreciate it. And next week we got the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Zions releasing, which I forgot about entirely. But this morning, y'all seen it, I carded the Yeezy 700 modern versions, the bone colorway, and it didn't let me process my payment. So I know what was going on with that. Hopefully next week when we try to get these Zions, none of that happens. Hopefully none of that happens. So we're gonna see, man. So y'all stay tuned. Rest of this vlog. Let's go pick up these Jordans. Yo, we are finally at Shoe Palace, man. About to go in here and check out for these GS size and size 9 of these smoke gray Air Jordan 1s, man. Let's get it. Bae got her size. How you liking them? How you liking them? What you think? First impression?
They're beautiful.
Think they beautiful?
Yeah.
Let me see them joints.
I'm trying to keep it on the light with all this tint.
Yeah, I know. I got this 5% tint. Oh my god, these things looking crazy though. Y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna break them down when we get to the. Oh my god, look at that leather quality. We're gonna break it down when we get to the crib. This is a GS size. I'm gonna give you guys my initial thoughts on the men's pair when we get to the crib. We got one more pair to pick up. So yeah. Them things look crazy. Yo, we about to pick up this last pair of these Air Jordan 1 smoke grays from Shoe Palace. Secure my size, my personal pickup. So y'all stay tuned, man. What's going on, YouTube? We are back at the crib, man. Me and wifey picked up 3 pairs, man. She actually picked up a pair herself, so I'm gonna let her give you her thoughts over these shoes while we got some better lighting and stuff like that. We checked them out when we was in the car, but this is like our first, you know what I'm saying, good reaction and some good lighting, and it's not hot in the car, you know what I'm saying. So go ahead and pull them out. Picked up 3 pair today. Check it out right here. Already sold that size 9, but check these out right here, man. Shout out to Bae, man. She hit on the size 7'1", man. So there you have it. How y'all liking them? How y'all liking them? Things hitting real nice. What you think?
I like.
You like them?
Yeah.
It's like a suede on the toe box. And then it's like a rug filling material on the back right here. I don't know. Let me pull my size out real quick. Size 9. Dang, I'm gonna see which one has the best quality. Because you know, usually when you get in multiple pairs, it's different qualities. One pair is way better, one pair is like trash. So this one right here seems pretty good. And somebody told me to compare this quality of the suede with the turbo green. So I'm gonna grab those real quick. But tell them what you think while I grab these shoes.
So I think that these are, I don't know much about material. If they're cute, I get them. They look good to me. I see a little bit of glue right here, but that's about it.
Some glue stains?
Just a little bit of glue.
Just a little glue stains.
It'll rub
You
off.
get that off. You get that off. But here they go right here, the turbo green ones. It's kind of bright.
I'm telling you.
So boom, there you have it. So these go, I like this quality a lot more than this one right here. But you can kind of tell where people was getting the similarities and stuff like that. It's like a rough suede feel on the entire shoe, and then on the upper they kind of have the same type of, you know, back right here. So you got like that rugged feel right here along with the turbo greens as well, man. So check it out right there. I can see the differences. I feel like this one got a higher cut or something like that. The turbo greens got like a higher cut than these smoke gray ones. I don't know what's that about, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got these when I was overseas in Germany. I don't know, just throw them out the way. But yeah, man, we picked up some pairs today. How did it feel to pick up some sneakers today? How'd it feel?
It felt good. It was easy too, like real easy.
Super
I feel
easy.
like they look out for you though, like.
Nah, they don't look out for me.
You don't think so?
I don't think, I've been taking L's. I've been taking some L's, bro. Took an L on the 5s, took an L on the 14s, and I almost took an L on these. I was a little scared.
Yeah.
I took an L on every single app, Foot Locker, Champ Sports, and Foot Action. So it's crazy. So you like them though?
I do like them, yeah, I like them. And I feel like you can wear these with so much stuff because they kind of like, not basic, but it's basic colors.
Yeah, basic
You know what I
colorways.
mean?
That whole gray upper.
Yeah.
But would you go with the black laces or the white laces in these joints?
Black.
Black?
Yeah.
I think the white gonna hit hard on these, so I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna drop the review and on feet tomorrow. Bae gonna try on her size tomorrow as well. So you guys stay tuned for the on feet. We can laugh and make some jokes in the comment section about how she do her own feet. Maybe she's been catching on with mines. Maybe she's good with the own feet, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. But very dope shoe. I want everybody right now in the comment section below to let us know if you hit on a pair of these Air Jordan 1 small grays. There was so many L's watching the live stream. Even you were seeing it.
Yeah.
So a lot of people taking L's. So
A lot of glitches too, like.
yeah.
A lot of glitching.
There was a lot of glitching with Foot Locker, Champ Sports. I'm like, bro, I don't know what's going on. I try to help as many people as I could. But just on to the next one, man. I took L's before, so like I said, the next release is the Yeezy 350 V2 Zions. You guys stay tuned for that live cop. That will be next Saturday. Stay tuned. Gonna have a good time as well on that live stream. Yeah. If y'all want to see Bae pick up some sneakers with me again, and we gotta get this video up to at least 500 likes, man. So right now, if you're watching this, smash the like button. Subscribe right now if you ain't subscribed already. Ring the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video, live stream, or anything that drops. Head over to IG. Give me a follow at DeVintage World. You can't get hers. You can't get her IG, man. What else?
And don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend.
Tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let us know if you cop down below in the comment section. And with all that being said, we're gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.